what's happening is it keeps drawing and it shuts off. It's this low pressure switch. On the first can, which I thought was going to go in pretty quick. That might help. Almost down to about a fourth left. Just can't resist the urge to turn it upside down for some reason. That'll help expedite it. Okay, that can's empty. Switch them out. I'm going to shut it down here and shut it down up here and move into the next can. Okay, with the second can, I got this, the blue side turned off. I got this open to bleed it a little bit, just to get the air out. Then I'm going to shut this off, and we're going to move into this one again. Now I got this open. Start running a little bit longer each time. Of course, they tell you never to do this. The outside temp, of course, still partially in the garage. Actually colder now. It's just barely cold. So we'll come back and check on it. My guess is the third can is going to be where all the action is. Coming near the end. Okay, we're at the end of this one. Okay, we're going to shut it down here. And get ready to put another can on. I got the brand new third can on. Got the blue side turned off, the red side's on. Just to, you can hear it kind of bleeding out right there. Just to clear the air out. I'm going to shut this off and turn the low side back on. Okay, now we're still, it's our third can. Yeah, we're getting somewhere now. Leave this open. If I remember right, it was 34 total ounces. And 3 of these cans were 36 ounces. There used to be 1 pound, now they're 12 ounces. As soon as I got in the car, I could feel it's getting a little bit colder. So we're getting there. 40, I guess it's 48. Okay, put this on 60, fans on high. Back out to the can. Still pretty full. Take a look inside. City, so I know when you get these 134 systems on the highways and air gets through that radiator, it kind of pulls down a little more. It's not that cold out, so it's kind of where we're at. It's at 34 ounces. I'm not going to put any more in until I hear someone tell me different. So that's where I'm at with the jar. 3 cans. It's acting like it still might be a little low, I don't know. But we'll let it go at that. Okay, thanks for your help everyone at Lincoln's Online, and thanks Tim.